Right, look at this. 5 meal prep boxes lined up, absolutely stunning. Each one is bursting with color. Emerald greens, vibrant reds, glossy golden yolks, and a perfect balance of protein, veg, and grains. Steam rises off glossy chicken, salmon shimmering under a soy glaze, tofu steaks glistening with sesame. This isn't just food, it's a display of discipline, flavor, and real nutrition. You can practically smell the ginger and miso through the screen, can't you? Now, quick cut. Picture this. Junk food wrappers, greasy fries, chaos. Bang. Now swap that for these organized, beautiful meals. A fridge, neatly packed, every shelf perfectly arranged. 1 hour equals 5 days of fat loss meals. You're not just prepping food, you're prepping your week for success. If you're busy and gaining weight, this 1 hour will fix your entire week. No more guessing what to eat. No more fast food decisions. This is your roadmap. Let's get started. Let's kick off with a real powerhouse, miso ginger chicken protein bowl. This isn't your bland dry chicken breast, we're talking juicy chicken thigh marinated in bold miso paste and fresh ginger. High protein, low fat, keeps you lean, full and satisfied. Mix miso, soy, ginger, garlic, and a splash of mirin for the marinade. Let the chicken soak up those flavors while you prep your rice or veggies. Sear the chicken hard. Don't crowd the pan. That golden crust is pure flavor. Slice thick and serve over rice, cauliflower rice, or cabbage. Top with green onions and a drizzle of reduced marinade. Pack with snap peas or broccoli for a vitamin boost. Clean, organized, and absolutely delicious. Fat loss isn't punishment, it's about eating well and enjoying every bite. This is your first step. Next up, light teriyaki salmon bento. Salmon's the king of clean protein and healthy fats. This meal keeps you full and satisfied, helping you avoid afternoon snack attacks. Prep your salmon fillets, skin on for flavor. Whisk up a quick teriyaki, low-sodium soy, mirin, a touch of honey, and ginger. Simmer until glossy. Sear salmon skin side down, then glaze and finish in the pan. The aroma, sweet, savory, with ginger, is unreal. Serve with brown or sushi rice, steamed bok choy or spinach, and pickled radish for crunch. Balance is everything. Protein, carbs, and veg in harmony. Assemble in your bento box. The colors and flavors make this meal as beautiful as it is delicious. Salmon's healthy fats fuel your body and mind. This bento will have you looking forward to lunchtime. Let's move on to something light yet packed with protein. Egg white tamago and edamame box. This is your clean fuel meal, high protein, low fat, and perfect for stable, lasting energy throughout the day. Start by separating your egg whites. Don't waste those yolks. Save them for another recipe or a treat at the weekend. Whisk with a dash of dashi stock, a pinch of salt, and a tiny splash of mirin for subtle sweetness. Pour into a non-stick pan, low and slow. We're not making scrambled eggs here, this is about gentle, even cooking. Roll it up layer by layer, Japanese tamago style. When it's set, slice into neat, glossy rectangles. Next, edamame. Quick blanch in boiling salted water, then drain and sprinkle with sea salt. These little green gems are packed with plant protein and fiber, keeping you full and your digestion on point. To round out the box, add a few cherry tomatoes for natural sweetness and some microgreens for crunch and extra nutrients. Lay everything out neatly. Presentation helps keep you excited about your meals. This egg white tamago is incredibly light but surprisingly satisfying. The dashi gives it a savory depth without any heaviness. Pair it with the edamame, and you've got a meal that powers you through work, gym, or whatever the day throws at you. This box is perfect for those days you want something clean and easy, but still full of flavor and texture. No oil, no dairy, just pure, clean ingredients. When you're prepping, go for batches. Make enough for several boxes at once. It saves time and energy, and you'll thank yourself later. Now, for my plant-based friends, or honestly anyone who just wants a break from meat, sesame tofu steak bowl. Balanced, simple, and so, ridiculously easy to prep in batches. This is real, satisfying protein, straight from plants. Start with firm tofu. Press it well, get all that excess water out. Slice into thick steaks. Dust lightly with cornstarch for extra crispiness, then sear in a hot pan with a splash of sesame oil until golden on both sides. That's where the magic happens. Crispy outside, creamy inside. While the tofu cooks, whip up a quick sauce: soy, rice vinegar, a little grated garlic, and sesame seeds. Toss the hot tofu steaks in this mixture. Watch them soak up all that flavor. Serve over a bed of shredded cabbage or mixed greens with some cooked quinoa or brown rice if you want extra staying power. Add a handful of shredded carrots for crunch and color. This bowl comes together in just minutes, but the flavors, honestly, develop beautifully overnight. Meal prep isn't just about convenience. It's about maximizing taste and texture even days later. The combination of high-quality plant protein, fiber, and healthy fats from sesame will keep you full, energized, and satisfied. No more mid-afternoon crashes. Tofu is one of the most versatile ingredients out there. Don't be afraid to experiment with spices or herbs to keep things fresh. This bowl proves you don't need meat to hit your protein goals, and you certainly don't need to sacrifice flavor for health. Now, the chicken and cabbage shio stir-fry, your fat loss advantage meal. High volume, low calorie, and so satisfying you'll forget you're even dieting. Start with lean chicken breast, sliced thin for quick cooking. Quick marinade, sea salt, a splash of sake or rice vinegar, and a pinch of white pepper. Let it sit while you prep the veggies. This is efficiency, chef style. Slice your cabbage thin, add some sliced onions, and maybe a few strips of bell pepper for color. High heat, big pan, add a touch of neutral oil and throw in your chicken. Sear quickly, don't overcook. Once the chicken's almost done, toss in your cabbage and onions. Keep it moving, let everything get a bit of char and caramelization. This isn't a soggy, sad stir-fry. This is crisp, fresh, and full of flavor. Finish with a squeeze of lemon and a handful of chopped scallions. The acid brightens everything up, cuts through the salt, and makes it pop. Portion into your meal prep containers. You'll be amazed at how much food this makes for so few calories. High volume keeps you full and on track. No cravings, no late-night fridge raids. This is the meal that works hardest for your goals. It's quick, affordable, and can be varied with whatever veg you've got lying around. Meal prep is about using every advantage you can. High-volume, low-calorie meals are the secret weapon for losing fat and staying full. Last but not least, let's talk about the ultimate Japanese comfort food, miso soup. We're making 5 quick packs, so you can have miso soup fresh every single day, just by adding hot water. Start by prepping your soup base: white miso paste, a little instant dashi granules, and dried wakame seaweed. Portion these into small containers or zip bags, one for each day. Add a sprinkle of sliced green onions and, if you like, a few cubes of soft tofu. Keep everything dry and separate until you're ready to eat. This keeps the flavors fresh and the texture spot on. When you're ready, all you need is a mug and hot water. Stir, let it bloom, and you've got a steaming, umami-packed bowl of soup in seconds. Perfect for digestion, light on calories, and deeply satisfying. Miso soup isn't just a side dish, it's a ritual. It helps curb appetite between meals, gives you a dose of probiotics, and keeps you hydrated. These soup packs take 5 minutes to prep for the whole week. That's less time than it takes to order takeout, and honestly, 100 times better for you. Having a hot, nourishing soup ready at any time is a game changer. It's the easiest way to stay on track, especially on busy, stressful days. Add these packs to your meal prep routine, and you'll never be caught off guard when hunger strikes. It's about building habits that support your goals every single day. 1 hour of effort, and your entire week is handled. Just look at your fridge. 5 beautiful, balanced meals plus fresh miso soup packs, all lined up and ready to go. You've taken control, not just of your food, but of your results. No stress, no bad decisions, just consistent, controlled eating. You won't be scrambling for takeout or wondering what's for dinner. You'll have energy, focus, and the confidence that comes from knowing you're fueling your goals, not sabotaging them. If your routine is making you gain weight, change the system. Pause. Start with 1 hour. Stay consistent, and let your results follow. Don't leave your health to chance. Subscribe to Slimsync for more fast Japanese weight loss meal plans.